Hi everyone! Today I wanted to show you how you can make your own DIY baby gender reveal bath bomb. Now we're going to start with a half of a cup of a measuring spoon and a bowl. Now for this particular gender reveal bath bomb order, there was 2 bath bombs that were ordered, so I'm going to be measuring 2 1/2 cups of baking soda. And now we're going to add 1/2 cup of citric acid. My citric acid had some bumps in it, so now I am declumping it and I'm mixing the baking soda and the citric acid together. Make sure you really mix that. Now all I did was I just put some cornstarch in my product. Cornstarch actually slows the bath bomb in moving in the water, so it just brings more anticipation. And here I am adding my sweet almond oil. I have just a couple of teaspoons. I use 3 for this, but it just depends again how your bath bomb mix is. If you need a little more, you can always add a little more. I don't use water or alcohol or witch hazel. I always use oils. Now I am using the baby powder scent from Brambleberry. And now we're mixing all the oils and the powder mixed together. Now again guys, always make sure that you're wearing gloves for this, especially when you are a business maker and you're selling these products. But also, citric acid is very abrasive to your skin, so just again, make sure that you wear gloves. Now again, I didn't really like the consistency of the whole mix. It is humid today, so I added some more sweet almond oil to my mixture. Now what I did was, my special embellishments that I use for this is I put little small toy baby bottles in the center of the bath bomb. You can purchase them at Walmart or any other store where you can find them. And these molds that I have are actually perfect for small bath bombs. I got them from a kit from Michaels, and I've been reusing them for a while now, and they're just so cute. They're about 2 inches all around. So now we are going to pack our mixture, and I'm going to poke a hole right in the middle and then put more product in there. Now this method is useful because it helps with the spinning of the bath bomb. So again guys, don't pack it too tight because the bath bomb will sink. Now for this part, again, we are poking a hole in the middle of the bath bomb, but we are actually just making it with a little embed of Brambleberry. This is a glycerin color, and I'm adding about 2.5 drops of blue, beautiful glycerin color, and I am putting the baby bottle, the blue baby bottle, right in the middle, and you just pack it down, and again, lightly put the mixture on top of it. And now we are going to pack these bath bombs together. Now press very firmly on here, and again, just make sure that your bath bombs, both of the molds, are even. And again, just pack, press tight and firm. And what I do, again, it depends on the weather. I'm going to just hold them tight for a couple of seconds. Again, it all depends on the day that you make them. And it just comes off very lightly. Again, I don't use water or witch hazel or alcohol. I just find that it makes my mixture too dry. I always use oils for this. And all I'm doing is just packing the middle. I'm just making sure that the bath bomb looks nice and presentable. And there we have it. Now guys, I just wanted to show you, I put some water in a bowl that I got from Michael's again. And I'm seeing that a lot of my customers do this, and here we go. I'm going to show you how these bath bombs work. Now you see that they are floating. They did not drop at all in the water. Like, in other words, they didn't sink. And is it a girl? Is it a boy? And it's a boy! Look how beautiful that color is. Yay! So this is what everybody sees at the baby gender reveal parties. Look how beautiful the water looks. Beautiful blue. Alright guys, if you love this DIY baby gender reveal bath bomb recipe, please subscribe and like this. And this certain customer asked for a yellow bottle, so this is how it looks and it floats. Alright guys, thank you so much. Put your comments down below. You can ask any questions and I will be back with another video very, very soon. Thanks for watching everyone. Bye!